How to show or hide contacts phone numbers on the call screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, from the home screen, open up your phone application, then tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down and tap on Caller Information. In here, tap on Show Contacts Phone Numbers. Tap on it to turn it off or switch it on. When it is turned on, it will show the contact's phone number just underneath the contact's name right there. So if I switch it off, that will only show the name and no phone number. If I turn it on, it will show the name as well as the phone number on the call screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.